guess who's back? Before we begin, please note that this video isn't a tutorial. It's just a showcase of how I created this. While you can learn a lot by watching, unless you don't have a brain, you can learn even more and get access to all the effects and techniques I used by getting the project file. Find the link in the description. The file also comes with the clips as well, just letting you know. Alright fellas, as you can see here, this is my setup for the edit. The background, the cover, and the car fully masked. And here we have the transformed car. It's very important to color your layers and name them, so you don't get confused and lose your shit later on. I'm not doing this at the beginning as I'm already confused.
Do something about it.
But you can see me here pre-composing the layers and getting them ready for cutting. So here, well, you basically make two copies of the masked car. So then you use one to mask a part of the car and use the other copy to mask another part. But not before you make a new copy, that you'll later do the same thing too. This might be confusing and I suck at making it not confusing, but yeah, just mask and duplicate. Here I'm done masking this radiator. By the way, you have to know that the smaller the parts you mask, the better results you get. I'm making them big, because I'm just, well, lazy. Now I'm getting the second car and I'm going to mask the same part I did for the first car. Just watch and learn. Alright, now we are 3% done, masking is done, and now we animate them using both position and scale editor. But first, I need to organize this shit. Alright, now let's just move them around and make a simple, one eating the other type of animation. Alright, that looks clean. Let's just do it to the rest of the car real quick.